I'm going to share with you how I use AI and Chat GPT to help with my spa business. For those of you who don't know, Chat GPT is a state-of-the-art language model tool that is designed to give you human-like responses and human-like language conversations. There's a lot of ways that you can use this for your business, from building websites to your marketing to your operations. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the main ways that I've been using it lately in my business. If you're new here, hi, my name's Ayana. I'm a licensed massage therapist, esthetician, and spa owner. I'm also a continuing education provider and YouTuber for massage therapists who are looking to help with their business strategy. Times are really changing where using AI, artificial intelligence, in your business, in your everyday operations is becoming normalized. And so this video is designed to help you get started with using ChatGPT and AI when it comes to building your business. And anyone can create an account on ChatGPT. It is free to use. That's a huge plus. All right, so the first way that I use ChatGPT in my business is to help to create captions for content on my spa business page. So I put out content on my spa business page to, of course, help with marketing, organic marketing reach, and it's done an amazing job of creating realistic captions based on the information that I feed it. So one way that you can do this for yourself is really think about what is the overall goal of your spa, what is the niche of your spa, and ask ChatGPT to create captions based on what is going on in the picture or what's going on in the image that you want to put on social media. And I'm actually going to show you how this works. So if I go to ChatGPT, so for example, if I were to say to ChatGPT, I own a cupping wellness spa in Ontario, Canada. I have in this, let's think of an example. So I have videos displaying cupping on my clients. Can you create 12 Instagram captions that have a call to action to book an appointment? And once you type in that type of prompt or a prompt similar to it, it can be any type of prompt, you're gonna wanna click enter, and then now ChatGPT is going to create different captions that could help you with your brand. So this can really help you with creating captions so that you don't have to do that work yourself. So another way that I use ChatGPT, which has been a huge lifesaver, is I use ChatGPT to create human-like customer service responses. So if I'm dealing with a difficult client or I need to respond to a client email, I will give ChatGPT the exact email that the client said, tell ChatGPT the background of what's going on with the situation, and ChatGPT will emit a really great response to help me with that customer service inquiry. So that is a way that you can use it as well. You can use it to help solve customer service questions. To give you a real life example, I had a situation with a client who she was originally a mobile client, but she needed to come to the suite because the person that she wanted to book with was unavailable for mobile at the time she wanted. So there was a customer service issue where she wanted a slight refund because the type of package that she purchased was a mobile package, which is a little bit more expensive than the packages that we have at the suite. So I let ChatGPT do the math for me to calculate based on how many sessions that she got, how much she's paying per session based on the type of package that she purchased, how much would this refund be? Turns out it was only $20. But ChatGPT did the math for me based on everything that I told it, all the background information. And in addition to that, it helped me create a really, really good customer service message to send that client to explain everything and explain the math behind the refund amount. So that is another example of how ChatGPT has helped me when it comes to helping solve customer service issues. So that is a way that you can also use it for your spa. All right, so one of my favorite ways that I've been using ChatGPT recently, especially in this season of owning my spa where we have come out with a lot of new services and we have, new staff. So I have used ChatGPT to help me name my services. So ChatGPT is not only really efficient, but it's also very creative. So if you put your creativity and add it to the creativity that ChatGPT has, then you will come up with some amazing ideas. So let's say you want to come out with a fire cupping session, but you want a unique way to call this fire cupping session. So what I would do in that case, I would say, and just side note, ChatGPT will remember the things that you told it before, especially within the same thread. So in this thread, I told it that I own a cupping spa. This is just an example. I do not own a cupping spa. We own a different type of spa. So instead I could say, I have a new service that is fire cupping. Please come up with 3 unique names for this service, as well as service descriptions. The service is 1 hour long and includes fire cups and heat therapy. So give it as much information as you want to, because the more information you give it, the more background information you get it, the better the response. So click enter. And as you could see, it came up with quite a few responses. Ignite Bliss Fire Cupping, Radiant Fire Fusion Therapy, Flamidite Renewal Ritual. These, I mean, of course, these will be a sounding board. So you will see these names and some of them may resonate with you, some of them may not. But that is another way that you can use ChatGPT for your spa, is to use it to create service descriptions, names of your services, and just help with that creativity part of running your business. So the next way that I use ChatGPT, and again, one of my second favorite ways of how I use ChatGPT, is I will use it to help create SOPs. In my business, I have quite a few virtual assistants, I have other staff, people who are doing things for me, and because of that, it's really important that documentation is a part of my operations. So a big part of our operations is having standard operating procedures. These are procedures that really detail how to do a task, how to do a procedure, how to do something that is done in my business. And so what ChatGPT will do is it can create standard operating procedures, especially if you're at the stage of your business where you're ready to hire or you're ready to delegate tasks to other people. One of the ways that I do this is I will tell ChatGPT maybe something that I do. So let's say the task is I need to, and I'm just going to think of a random task. I need to send a client a text review or something, or it could be how to create confirmation calls. That's a really good one. So let's see. Can you please create a SOP for confirmation calls to upcoming clients and their appointments? I feel like that one is right on time, especially because now we have an assistant, a receptionist, who is able to answer the phone, so take inbound calls and outbound calls. And so because of that, she is going to need to do confirmation calls. So one of the things that I would do is create that SOP, and ChatGPT will help me write that SOP to give to that assistant. And now ChatGPT is creating a step-by-step guide, and I can edit this, I can change it, I can give it more information, like I can tell it the tools that I use, all that stuff, and just give it more details about what this task is, and ChatGPT will create that SOP. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video on how to use ChatGPT. This is a starter guide of how to use ChatGPT to help with your spa. If you want to see more advanced tips on how to use ChatGPT, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you want to keep learning some business tips for your spa, I highly recommend seeing this next video. And again, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.